Hey friends, welcome back to the Western Kentucky Outpost. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday, friends. In today's recipe, we're going to be whipping together some delicious country fried skillet corn. Now, the best type of corn that you can get for this recipe would be white sweet corn, but I'll be darned if I can find any. But you're going to need about 6 ears of corn. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take these ears, we're going to husk them and get them ready. Now that we've got our husks removed, time to get a large bowl and a chef's knife and shuck all those kernels off the ears. Now the ticket to shucking these kernels off the ears is to try to get as absolute much as you possibly can and keep scraping that and get all that good milk and everything that comes off of there, and you'll have yourself a delicious start to a great meal. See, there you have it. We're going to keep a cover over top of this and put it inside in the refrigerator for right now and go grab our camp stove. Next thing you're going to want to do is grill up a full package of your favorite bacon. That bacon smells good. Next on the docket is we're going to take all that shucked kernel corn and we're going to place it directly down into that bacon grease. Alright, now we're down in the bacon grease. We're going to take 2/3 of a cup of water, pour it over top of there, and we are going to be adding 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Stir that up real good. Now we're going to want to keep stirring this for about a good 5 minutes until it starts thickening up. Alright, next we have a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. We'll mix that together and put that in on the corn so you get a real thickening product. Ooh, this smells delicious. Now you saw me put 2 spoons of sugar in here. You can actually add more sugar for taste and stuff, but I would start with 2 before you taste it. See how it's thickening up? Got that creamy goodness to it. Finally, we're going to add a tablespoon of butter, if I can get it over here. A little bit of salt for flavoring. Of course, some pepper. And last but not least, a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Not many, just to add a little bit of kick to it. Oh, that smells so good. Oh yes. Country fried skillet corn. Man, I wish you could smell what's going on here. This is a side dish that pairs great with pork chops or fried chicken and stuff, but in this case we're not doing any of that stuff. We're just making up the corn, and I'm about to go inside and make up some biscuits. Alright, it is time to plate our meal. We got some fresh biscuits right out of the oven with some butter on it. We're going to ladle it with some corn and garnish it off with a couple items. Some country fried skillet corn. It's all thickened up nicely. Now, this isn't traditionally the way you would make this. Like I said, this is a side dish. I don't care. Oh yes. Let's not forget about that bacon we cooked up earlier. Let's crumble up some over top of this delicious looking meal. Man, it smells good. Oh yes. Oh. You wish you were here right now. Never tried it this way. I can't see how it could be bad. Oh yes. We're going to dice it up with just a little bit of black pepper and a couple drops of our delicious Texas Pete. Not too much. Remember, we have the red crushed pepper flakes in there. Oh goodness. Time to chow. Wow, will you look at that southern goodness. I'm going to use a spoon, but I think we're just going to try to take these up like little bites. Here goes nothing. Oh my goodness. Bursting with flavor. You don't know what you're missing out on. Wow, this flavor is just unbelievable. Well, I'm so glad I made this. Oh, trying to hold it together. I thought I was going to have to eat it with a spoon. Let's try that. Oh my goodness, look at the bacon on that. That corn is spot on. Look at that morsel of goodness. Holy cow. Just busting with flavor every last little bit. Down the hatch. Last bite. Hoo-wee-oo, that was a tasty meal. Oh my goodness. Country fried skillet corn. It's a side that eats like a meal. And I wasn't expecting it to come out like that. The nice salty, sweet, little bit of spiciness to it. Just like a firecracker in your mouth. I enjoyed every last bite of it, and so would you. Happy birthday this month to Dee from Native Tears on Cast Iron Wednesday. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.